everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to make your very own uh, paper with a border. As you can go buy these. Back in the 90s, these were really cool. It was a piece of paper like this and it had a border printed on it. I'm going to show you how to make your own. Here's what you need. In this case, I'm going to be using the Crayola paint pens and the Crayola Super Tip markers. So what I'm going to do, and a ruler. So what you want to do, open up your marker box like I just did. And in this case, I'm going to use a black marker. So here's what you want to do. You could do any design you like, but I prefer this style design. Here's what you do. Make sure your paper is straight. There we go. Open up the marker. And go across the whole page. Turn the page like this. There we go. My microphone wire is there. Alright, so turn the page again. Just like this. Okay, so now you're ready to use these. So what I'm going to do is since I'm a computer guy, I'm going to do RGB. So what I'm going to do is take the red, just go across it like this. You could do it as clean or as messy as you like. There we go. So now I'm going to turn it this way. And then what you want to do the same thing over again. Just like this. And do the same thing. Now I'm going to use yellow because some monitors use yellow, and this is a computer themed border. And I got paint on my hands. Oh boy. That's okay. I'm using another piece of paper to wipe my hands off here. So, there you have it. Your own paper with a printed border. Even though this isn't printed. You can use a variety of things. You can use markers, you can use Crayola paints, you can use pastels, you can use all sorts of things. I just decided to do it this way. And then what you could do is I'll do this now, you could put a line here and write notes. But any border you do with a outline like this, especially if you're using the paint, make sure you use the marker first. Otherwise, it won't turn out right. So there you have it. This is a custom made paper with a border. So anyway, with that said, that is it for this video. Please comment, like, subscribe, and click that bell for more notifications.